Hello everyone. Today in this video I will start chapter number 5, lines and angles, and the brief intro because before holidays the introduction of this chapter is already given to you. So let us start the brief intro of this chapter. Let us start different type of pair of angles, complementary angles. When the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, angles are called complementary angles. Now example is 35 and 55. So this pair is called complementary angles because sum of these angles is 90 degree. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, the pair of angles is complementary. Now come to supplementary angles. A pair of angles is said to be supplementary if sum of two angles is 180 degree. For example, 135 and 45. When you will do the sum, you will get 180 degree. Then the pair is called supplementary, and each of the angle is called supplement of other. Like 135 is the supplement of 45 and 45 is the supplement of 135. Here also 35 is the complement of 55 and 55 is the complement of 35. Now come to third type of angle, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. A pair of angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and non-common arms are on the either side of common arms. Now see the example. These two angles are said to be adjacent because they both have a common vertex. Angle 1 is having this vertex and angle 2 is also having the same vertex. Both the angles are having a common vertex. And see this arm OA. This OA arm is common between both angles. This arm is used in angle 1 also. When we are making angle 1, OA arm will be used. When we will make angle 2, this arm is also used. So this arm is common. Now the third point is non-common arms are on the either side of common arm. Either means opposite sides. Now see the non-common arms. These are non-common. This and these. These two arms are non-common. Now non-common arms are on the either side of common. This is common arm and these are on the different side. Non-common arms are on the different side of common arm. Means एक उसके एक तरफ है और दूसरी दूसरे तरफ है. And this type of, one more example I am telling you. Here angle 1 is this one and this is angle 2, means this is angle 2. Now these two angles are not adjacent. The reason, they both angles have common vertex is common. First condition is applied here, that though both the angles are having common vertex. Common arm, both the angles are having one common arm. Which one is common? When we will make angle 1, these two arms will used. When we will make angle 2, these two lines or rays will be used. So this arm is common. This is the common arm between angle 1 and 2. Now the non-common arms are these. This is non-common and this is non-common. Angle 1 और angle 2 में common arm ये है. And these two are non-common. Now non-common arms are on the one side of common arm. कॉमन आर्म के दोनों अलग अलग साइड पर होनी चाहिए थी नॉन कॉमन, बट नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स कॉमन आर्म के एक ही साइड पर हैं, इधर साइड पर नहीं है. सो दिस कंडीशन it is not true. So these angles are not adjacent. Linear pair. A pair of adjacent angles whose non-common arms or sides are opposite rays. These are non-common. These are on the opposite sides and this is common. Just now I explained you about adjacent angles. Now this is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays and their sum is also 180. Means when they are supplementary also, then the adjacent angles are called linear pair. In adjacent angle, it was not the condition that they must be supplementary, but in the linear pair it is the condition that they should be adjacent and they must be 180 also. Their sum must be 180 here. So linear pair is the pair of adjacent angles whose sum is supplementary. Now come to vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? When two lines intersect each other at one point, the angles opposite to the vertex. This is the vertex. The angle opposite to vertex. These are called vertically opposite angle. These two angles are also vertically opposite. And let me tell you, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is always equal to angle 4. Vertically angles are always equal. Now we will do pair of lines. Just now we have done pair of angles, now pair of lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? Now these lines are said to be intersecting and this common point is called intersection point. When two lines are, this is line L and this is line M. Two lines are intersecting each other when they have a common point. This common point is called point of intersection. Now come to transversal. What do you mean by transversal? You have heard this word first time. Transversal is a line that intersect two or more lines at a distinct point, at distinct points. A line that intersect two lines, two or more lines at distinct point. Distinct mean different. See here, like this is a line, this is one more line, and one line intersect these both lines at different point, at distinct point, then this line is said to be transversal. I am giving the name of this line T. Now if more than two lines are there, like one line, two line and three lines, and if a line intersect these three lines at three different points, at three distinct points, this is transversal. This is called transversal, means T. T name I have given to it. If three lines intersect at one point, then there is no transversal. Now there is no transversal because they are not cutting at distinct point. Here common point is one only, but in the two parallel lines or two lines or three lines, if one line is cutting at distinct point, that is called transversal. but here two lines are cut on a single point. It means this line is not transversal. Angles made by transversal. Suppose these are two lines L and T is a transversal. Now how many types of angles can be made by this transversal? Now see the types. First of all, let me tell you about interior angles. What are interior angles? Here this angle, this and this. These are interior angles which are between these two lines. These are interior angles. Now exterior angle. What are exterior angle? Exterior angles which are in the exterior of line M and L. These 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let me tell you separately what are interior and exterior. Line L, line M, transversal T. These are interior. These four angles are said to be interior. And exterior, this angle, this and this. These four angles are exterior angles. Now come to pair of corresponding angles. Let me explain you pair of corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Here corresponding angles include different vertices, means it has different vertices. These two angles are corresponding angles because they both have different vertices, first condition, and second condition, they are on the same side of transversal. This is transversal and both the angles are on the same side. They both are on the same side. This is the pair of angle. Corresponding angles are always in pair and both the angles have different vertices. These two conditions are for the corresponding angles. Now these two angles are also said to be corresponding because they are on the same side. Now this is the left side. This side also they are on the same side and both have different vertices. Any other pair can be possible? Yes. Third possibility is this. This angle and this angle are corresponding because they both are having different vertices and both are on the same side. One more pair is also possible, fourth pair, that is this side. This side, both are on the same side of transversal and both have different vertices. And one more thing is they are making F. See the alphabet F. When you will make these two angles are corresponding because they have different vertices. They are on the both side, on the same side of transversal. And third, one more thing that is also compulsory, that they are in corresponding position, means both are below the lines. This is line, this is again second line, both are below. Either both are below, otherwise they can be above, otherwise they are on the same side. Then it means their position is also corresponding. Now see, like alphabet F, they must be in corresponding position because they both are on the above the line. See here, both are on the same side but below the line. Both are on the above the line and on the same side. Here they both are below the line. This is below the line. So corresponding angles have different vertices. Vertices must be different. Second thing, on the same side of transversal. And third thing, position must be same, like both are on the above, both are down, both are above, both are down. So these three conditions must be applied on the angles made by transversal. These angles, this pair of angle is corresponding. 3 and 7 corresponding, 2 and 6 corresponding angles, 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. Now come to pair of alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and 6. These two angles are said to be alternate interior angles. What is the condition here for interior angles, alternate interior? They have different vertices. These two angles have different vertices and they are on the opposite side of transversal. This is transversal and they are on the opposite side of transversal and they lie between the two lines. These are two lines and they are between these two lines. These two angles are between these two lines. So these are alternate interior angles. Here this one more pair is also in alternate interior angle pair. Here these two angles are in the lie between the two lines, have different vertices and are on the opposite side of transversals. Now same as alternate exterior angle, same as interior, but here the position is this angle and this angle are said to be alternate exterior. They are on the exterior of these two lines and they have different vertices and are on the opposite side of transversal. Same here, these two angles are said to be alternate exterior. They are on the opposite side of transversal and are on the exterior. Now see, this is the exterior, this is also exterior and on the opposite side of transversal. This is all for today. Rest of the work we will revise in the next exercise, next video.